Take a look inside. It's clean.
Stick shift goes good. Hold it. Man. Joseph, what are you doing? What is this?
This.
Now what are you up to?
I was looking for one of these cars for a very long time.
Really?
Very long time.
Well, you found one.
I certainly did.
You sure did find one.
It's a 68 Volvo 122S.
It's an S?
Yes.
It's dual carbs.
I'll show you. Look.
Going down the track running 91s.
This is actually a California car.
What are you doing right now, though?
Right now, well, here's the thing. The car's lit up. See, I'm DAing all the rust.
Right.
And making it bare metal so I can primer this.
Obviously, it lit up.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing. What happened was the car lit up, and after after the fire was off, it rained and it got surface rust. This is not actual rot. This is just surface rust.
I know.
That's why this is all bare metal, and this is
Well,
recent.
if you
This
can
happened
save the
recently.
parts, that would be nice.
Right.
Let me see. Shave some off. Show it to me. So that's the idea. You're gonna shave all this off, and then what?
I'm gonna shave it all off and just put primer on it. I'm gonna put the primer. That's epoxy, which means it's waterproof.
And then you put it in storage for a
I'll
while.
put it in storage when I have time.
When you can get to
when
it.
that's done.
I know.
When
Yeah.
that's done,
Yeah.
I'll jump
The
up.
Beatnik Bandit back there.
All of my Volvos are this color.
The bastard Beatnik Bandit back there.
That's the same color. This is the same color. The wagon's the same color.
It's okay.
I'm gonna finish sanding this out, and after I prime it, it'll look pretty good.
Okay, cool. Knock it out.
Now, back to work on my Pontiac.
How's it looking, bro?
Good.
Yeah?
Check this out.
What are you working on here?
I'm doing the floors. I'm just doing
Oh,
the
wow.
underneath, grinding all the welds that,
Cool.
you know.
Yeah, it looks good, bro. Hey, did you do the back?
I sure did.
I want to check it out. Wow, that looks like factory, man.
Doesn't it?
It really does.
I ran
you
out
got all
of
the ridges are in, the new
yeah.
pieces and everything?
I ran out of undercoating, and now it's gonna come Friday.
You gotta wait for Friday.
3 days
Story of my life.
for the most common.
Story of my life. And make sure you get the right one, too.
Yeah.
So what else did you do?
Well,
We're done for today?
today.
Weren't you in a spray booth?
Yes, I was. Check this out.
Oh, that's right. You were painting up that,
I sure was.
you primered up the Volvo. How does it look?
It looks like a complete show car.
That's good. For storage now, what are you going to do?
Well, it's gonna wait its turn. I wanted it. What's the word I'm looking for?
Huh?
What's the word I'm looking for?
How do I know what you're looking for? If your brain's in your head, mine's mine.
The reason why I primed it was because it would be more.
Preserved?
Yeah, preserved. Yes. Preserved. That's the word I'm looking for. tape. Look what I have to put up with. It doesn't peel off.
Wow, it is cheap shit. Well, anyway, that's the story with that. I'm gonna build a tape ball. It's like when I went to Votech, that's all people did, build tape balls. Got once or twice, you know, you laugh.
Then you go in the back.
I'm trying to learn like how to do stuff at Votech. Never forget this one Portuguese kid. Hey, Jim, watch this. You even know it's me.
All right.